Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Butler. Today, I want to talk about a situation many people over 60 experience, but rarely understand. Waking up in the middle of the night and being unable to fall back asleep. Maybe it happens around 2 in the morning, maybe 3, maybe 4. You wake up, and suddenly, sleep feels far away. This is one of the most common complaints I hear from patients. And the first thought is usually, something is wrong with me. But here is the truth. Waking up during the night is not always insomnia. In many cases, it is biology. It is how the brain and body work during sleep. The real problem is not waking up. The problem is not being able to return to sleep. And today, I will explain why this happens and what you can do to help your body fall asleep again naturally. Let's begin with how sleep really works. Sleep is not one long, deep state. It happens in cycles. Most adults go through 4 to 5 sleep cycles each night. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes. You move from light sleep to deep sleep to dreaming sleep, and then back to light sleep. And during light sleep, the brain can wake up easily. So waking briefly during the night is normal. Most people wake up and don't even remember it. But sometimes the brain becomes too alert, and sleep does not return. Another important factor is body temperature. During the night, your temperature drops. That helps you stay asleep. But between 2 and 4 in the morning, body temperature slowly rises again. This makes sleep lighter. That is one reason many people wake up around that time. Now, let's talk about the real enemy of sleep after 60. Anxiety. Not emotional anxiety, but mental activation. You wake up, you think about the time, you think about tomorrow, you think about how tired you will be. And suddenly, your brain switches into daytime mode. Heart rate rises, stress hormones increase, sleep disappears. This is why the first rule is very simple. Do not look at the clock. When you look at the clock, you create pressure. How many hours are left? I need to sleep now. I will be exhausted. This activates the thinking brain, and the thinking brain blocks sleep. The second mistake is trying too hard to sleep. Forcing sleep never works. Sleep comes from relaxation, not effort. The harder you try, the more awake you become. So instead of trying to sleep, your goal should be to relax. And here is something very important to understand. Even if you are awake, but lying still, in the dark, with your eyes closed, your body is still resting. Research shows that quiet rest provides partial recovery. Not perfect sleep, but still real recovery. Knowing this reduces anxiety, and reducing anxiety allows sleep to return. Now, let's talk about heart rate. To fall asleep, your heart rate needs to slow down. If you get up, turn on lights, walk around, or check your phone, your heart rate increases, and sleep moves farther away. If you need to use the bathroom, go. But keep the lights low. Move slowly. Do not stimulate your brain. Then return to bed immediately. Another powerful tool is breathing. Slow breathing tells the brain, you are safe. One simple technique is slow rhythmic breathing. Inhale slowly. Hold briefly. Exhale slowly. And pause again. This lowers heart rate, it lowers stress hormones, and it helps the nervous system return to sleep mode. Now, let's talk about behaviors that sabotage sleep. Bright lights, phone screens, television, social media, thinking about problems. These all signal to the brain that it is daytime. Sleep requires darkness, quiet, and mental disengagement. Another reason older adults wake more often is the bladder. As we age, the bladder holds less urine. In men, The prostate can increase nighttime urination, so waking to use the bathroom becomes more common. The solution is not avoiding the bathroom. The solution is avoiding stimulation afterward. No lights, no phone, no activity. Go back to bed calmly. Now let me give you the most important mindset shift. Waking up at night is normal. Panicking about it is not. When you fight sleep, you lose sleep. When you allow rest, sleep returns naturally. Think of sleep like a shy guest. If you chase it, it runs away. If you relax, it comes back. Now let me summarize. If you wake up at night, do not check the time. Do not force sleep. Do not stimulate your brain. Do not turn on bright lights. Do not use your phone. Do this instead. Stay calm. Breathe slowly. Keep lights low if you move. Return to bed quickly. Let your body relax. And remember, rest is better than stress. Relaxation is better than struggle. Most people who apply these principles see improvement over time. Not instantly, but steadily. Now, before we finish, I want to say something important. If you enjoyed this explanation, support this channel. Give this video a like so more seniors can find it. Subscribe to this channel for trusted health guidance made for people over 60. And leave a comment below. Tell me, do you wake up at night and struggle to fall asleep again? Your experience may help someone else. Thank you for watching. And remember, healthy aging is not about fighting your body. It is about understanding it.
Join us on Healthcare Seniors.
Amen. Be part of our community and watch the next video.